Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use this canva.com and also the Google Form. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first is about the canva.com. You can access the Canva from the laptop or tab or your smartphone. And for example, if your tab or smartphone is based on the Android, then you can install it from the Play Store, or also you can install it from the App Store if you are the user of the iOS or iPhone. And for this time, I'd like to show you how to use this from the laptop. And also don't forget to do the login first through your email. And this is the look of the canva.com over here. This Canva will provide you to do the design for the specific thing. For example, for the resume, you can create it from scratch and it will direct you into this page. And also to create the invitation, the sheet, document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, video, and also print something, and also the website. So it is a lot of things that you can do with this. And also this Canva will help you to generate something by use this Canva app. But for access this Canva app, I strongly recommend you to upgrade this Canva to become the pro version, because usually it will need the several credits. But don't worry, if you are the new user of the canva.com, then this Canva will usually give you 1 month to be free access. And for example, this is the application that Canva will provide you. For example, you can click this 3 stripes, and there are several things such as the AI generation, audio and voiceover, communication, file data and management. The file and data management, graphic design, marketing, photo editing, project management, text styling, and video animation. You can explore more to use this several applications that Canva provides you. And for example, if I go back to the home and I would like to create the presentation, for example, about the World Day. So actually, you can click this presentation, then it will give you the field on this another tab. But if you need the inspiration about the design template, then you can simply go to this Canva AI. And for example, I will choose this World Day. This is the recent chat that I have done. For example, I'll give you the generated World Day presentation design, and this is the design that Canva have given you. And for example, I will choose this design, then you can just click this pencil button and click use Canva editor, and it will direct you into the new tab. And this is the field that you can modify something about the message or the material that you would like to present to your audience. So that's all guys from the canva.com, and don't forget to try it by yourself and explore more, because this Canva is one of the amazing design platform. And let's move on to the Google Form. So as usual, don't forget to log in first through your Google account. And let's say if you open it from the email, then you can click this 9 dots and click this form. And if you would like to create the form from scratch, you can click this plus And for example, you would like to create the audition form or this school form. For example, you can modify the title, and you can also add the description of this form and what it is for. And after that, you can add the question over here. For example, the first one I will choose about the name. Well, for the name, you can choose this short answer or paragraph just in case that the responder have the very long name. It is okay. Name, and this is the section that your responder will answer your question, and you can activate this toggle just in case that your responder is being mandatory to fill this section. And if you would like to continue the question, you can click this plus question. And for example, I will ask about the gender. You can choose the option 1, male, female, and after that, to add the option, you can click this section or click enter on your keyboard. And after that, I will not activate this toggle. Then I will continue about, let's say, about the address. Then I will choose this paragraph and I will activate it to become mandatory. And for example, I will allow them to upload, let's say, about the photo, about the file that you required them to send. For example, I will ask about the task 1. And for this allow only specific file, it means that your responder will be allowed to send the file only on JPEG or PDF or the document or the PowerPoint or also the Excel, and it will depends on your request. But if you allow them to send the test or something in another type or another format, then you can just let this toggle being inactivate. And you can also modify the maximum number of file and also maximum size. And after that, you can click this to become required or not. And for example, I will also integrate it to become the link sheets. Then I will click this and create it. And it will direct you into the another sheet of the Google Sheet. Then you can start to publish this Google form. Publish. And for example, I will fill this link. I will copy it and I will put it in another tab. School form name Dora. For example, I will choose prefer female. For example, I will type Dubai. And I will not fill this section and submit it. And after that, the file will be updated into this table. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try it by yourself and explore more to use this tube. And I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.